Number 27, we are going to solve the system of equations. 3x plus 4y is equal to 12, and then the second equation is 6x plus 5y is equal to 6. We have two ways to solve a system of equations. We can use the substitution method, or we can use the elimination method. In this situation, the elimination method is going to work better, because you see all the variables x, y, and xy here, they all have a numbers besides 1 in front of them. It's hard to isolate any of these variables. So I will proceed to do the elimination method. So we are going to pick a variable that we want to get rid of. I want to get rid of this x. In that case, what we can do is, this is 3, this is 6. We have to look for the lowest common multiple of 3 and 6, namely 6. This number is because I know that 3 goes into 6 twice and 6 goes into 6 once. I want to make sure that the number in front of the x are the same, but then they have opposite signs. This is already a 6. I will multiply the top equation by -2. So just need to multiply -2 throughout the equation, and then make sure that we distribute the -2 into everything inside that parentheses, and now let's see what we get. So here we are going to produce a new equation. This one is going to be -2 times 3x, that's -6x, -2 times 4y, that's -8y, and that's equal to -2 times 12, that's -24. While the second equation will stay the same, 6x plus 5y is equal to 6. And now if you look at these equations, -6x and the 6x right here will cancel each other out when we add these two equations together. And then if we do that, we are going to end up -8y plus 5y is -3y, and that's equal to -24 plus 6, it's going to be -18. And as usual, we can divide both sides by -3. This way the -3 will cancel each other out. And then we will get y by itself, and that's equal to -18 over -3, that's equal to +6. And now we are going to take y is equal to +6 and plug into any of these two equations to solve for x. I will use the top one because I think the numbers are smaller, so let's do it. Here we have 3x plus 4, and then originally was a y, but we know y is going to be 6, so plug in 6 right here. And that's equal to 12 on the right hand side. And now this is 3x plus 4 times 6, that's plus 24, that's equal to 12, and we can subtract 24 on both sides, cancel this out, and we get 3x equals to 12 minus 24, which is -12, and then divide both sides by +3. We can cancel out the 3's. Then x will be by itself. X equals to -12 over 3, which is -4. So now we know that the answer is -4, 6. And once again, this is an orderly pair. That means the first number is for the x, and then the second number is for the y. And as you can see, in fact, earlier when I get y is equal to 6, I know the answer has to be B already, because choice B is the only one that has y is equal to 6. However, I want to show you guys with the x as well. So now we can conclude the answer is B. That's it.